Alright, hey guys, here's a Hunter Summer Breeze. It just comes on low. That's how it was when I got there, so it's convenient for me to demonstrate this. No, it's a Studio. It's Passport 2. Forgot about this. Anti-Grass Passport 2. Here is low. It's over the pool table. Could reach the chain. Here it is. That's about low. Let's go to medium. I like that speed. And it was actually set to low, which is convenient for me, so. I can feel some air from it, so here's go high. Ooh, this thing is loose, so it's not about to fall. I'm gonna have to hold it still before it does. So I can't use this on high then, so. But I'm gonna do it for a little bit and just hold it. Hold still. Moves a lot of air. They should better tighten this thing. Here it is. Let's do spin down. Let's do spin down. There's the switch. Wrong switch. Put it back to low. Reverse it.
Yeah, bottom shelf. Yeah, they're top. Oh, not this one. It's
Go back to one.
Rich made it.
So the fans in the house are, they have a Hunter Summer Breeze Plus upstairs. It could be a Stratford actually, with a 4-light kit, and two Hampton Bay Littletons. As you can tell, Hampton Bay Littletons are the worst fan. I seriously don't like them. But there's one in my room. It has a bent blade.
8 o'clock is the class starting. We don't need anybody, so we don't need any since we moved here.
I keep calling these standard Hunter fans a Summer Breeze for some reason.
Yes.
I get confused a lot. Just like I call the 4-blade version of this Summer Breeze, but it's not. It's a Passport with the pointed blades, a Studio Series with the square blades. This thing takes a long spin out time, just like the Discovery. I may do a ceiling fan in the house running on all speeds. Although, I might put this one high last because I don't want this thing to fall. Now let's reverse it. Is it on high? It's on low. Low reverse. Low reverse. It's cool they have a fan down here. The old house had a lot of Harbor Breeze, but this old house had a lot of Harbor Breeze Builder's Best, but I didn't film them, and I actually broke the chain off of one of them. I kept jumping up there. And it's cool they have fans in this house, so here's this one. Low. They have fans in this house now. So here's low, here's medium. Here's high. I'm gonna show it really quickly. I'm actually not gonna show high. It's high. No, I'm actually not gonna actually show on high pretty quickly. Send it back down to forward. Reverse forward works. Yep. Good. That is it. That is the Hunter Passport 2 ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.